so if you're gonna want to log into the photoshare.co and delete an event, make sure you log in with your exact credentials. You're gonna click over here to events. It's gonna look something like this. And then when you're ready, when you found the, let's say for instance, sample right here is the one that we're gonna delete. We click on it, and then right on top, it'll say delete. You could, that's actually to delete each individual picture. So like if you want to go in there and delete specific pictures from that album, you're able to do that way. But if you want to actually delete the entire album, it's going to be this delete event. Are you sure you want to delete this album? Yes, I'm sure. And it's no longer going to reflect on your account anymore. And which is great, because if it's just like a sample, for instance, this one again, this is another sample, I can come over here, and so that way it doesn't get so chaotic with the amount of events. And then I have my actual live events on each one of these. So that's how you're going to successfully delete an event. And if you can't find it, you can always just search up here, but it's pretty simple. You'll have a bunch of them as you start doing more and more events. And if you guys are looking for more in detail about your specific events and where to find those pictures, you could always click on them. You can have your links right here to send it. You can embed it onto your website. You can upload more pictures. Like if you take pictures on your phone and you want to upload it, you can do that there. You could also share it, analytics, but this is what I normally do. Click here, copy that, send it via email to a client. Thank you for your business. Here's your online album. And be sure to refer us for any future events that you're going to have. Leave them your detailed information, website, how they can book you again. And then the other thing too is you also have a slideshow. So if they click on it, it'll just kind of cycle through this. So if they have, next year's party and you still have their data, you can easily apply that as an additional service. So be sure you touch base on this whenever you have some time. Yes, you are learning DSLR Booth, but there also is this back end of it too. So if this video helped you out, please hit that like button. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. This is the channel that you're going to learn everything there is to know about photo booths. So when you guys are ready to purchase a photo booth or get your second, third, fourth, fifth, consider 360 Booth Expert. Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next video.